We are about to head out to the airport.
Yeah.
So first we need to put the tags on our bags. Show me the tags, baby.
Go.
Sweet. Let's do this.
There we go.
Good morning.
Good morning.
It's like 6 in the morning here, but it's 3 at home. We're sleepy. The flight was very uncomfortable. No sleep on that plane. So we're here waiting for another 3 hours to get checked in onto the shuttle so that they could take us on the ship, but they don't start checking in until 9, so we're going to bed.
Good night.
Night night. Just checked in. They are going to call us by group, so we are group Mickey. They already have our luggage, so we'll see it when we get on the cruise ship.
Driver today, his name's Jonathan. Drive time to the port is about 45-50 miles. Highway driving all the way. For your convenience, there is a restroom at the rear of the motor coach. When you do get to the port, there'll be another document check with passports or birth certificates, including the children. Usually they board the Fantasy between 11:30 and 12 a.m. When you do get on board, you want to head to deck 11 aft. That's the Cabanas buffet dining room. You're going to start eating today and finish next Saturday. Be careful out there. Okay, have a great cruise. Look forward to your return to paradise next week. Thank you.
Hey everyone, we're here. You guys are really ready to have fun now. Look at that big beautiful boat over there.
So just keep that card handy and you're going to show it when you go to board. That card also has your room number on it.
Okay. Awesome.
You are not ready. Look at his ears. Thank you. I know, they're amazing, right? My sister mom is that. Yeah. Mickey likes your ears, Mona. M creative ears.
Hey you guys, so we made it to the terminal. I'm gonna go ahead and show you around. So over here is where you do your check-in, and then from there you get to come over here to take a picture with one of the characters. As you guys can see, there is
Disney Cruise Line would like to invite all guests in boarding groups 1 and 2 to please proceed to the boarding area.
We're the Quito family. Have a good cruise.
Thank you. You can see our porthole is showing live video of outside right now, which is a parking lot because we haven't, excuse me, taken off yet.
Everybody.
Oh my gosh, we are so pooped and it's not even 6 yet.
And we barely got on the ship today.
Yeah.
Wow.
So earlier we did our room tour. Viz took a nap. Then we had to go do the emergency drill. Right after that, it was a sail away party. Right after that, we went to all the open houses for the nursery, the Oceaneers Lab, I think, or Oceaneer Club. We didn't make it to Vibe, and we didn't make it to one more. I don't remember.
We are headed off to dinner. Not really hungry, but I guess if we see the food, we'll get hungry. It's been a long day.
Danger.
It's been super long,
but we ate once today. So, I mean, I think maybe we should eat. I don't know. I just ate a bunch of shrimp, and I tried to bring some into my room, and I dropped it on the floor. Boo to that. We feel a lot more peaceful right now because we finally got our luggage and found out that it got searched, and that's why it took so long to get to our room. I guess that's what happens when you bring a bunch of different equipment for your cameras,
especially cameras. So
yeah, so just beware, just letting you know. And we will see you at dinner.
Yep, we'll see you later.
Oh. With rice and asparagus, and what's that, baby?
Prime rib.
Prime rib. Yummy. So what are you gonna order, baby?
Mickey bar?
Me too. I don't want anything from this list. First show. We're not allowed to record, but we wanted to get on here and say hi. We had dinner. It was great. Now we're waiting to watch, I think it's a fantasy come true or a dream come true. I think it's a fantasy come true. That's it. Bye. Bye.
Awesome. So we walked in and they made us, I'm not sure what it is, but they put my wife's glasses right over there. I'm thinking maybe like a cobra or some kind of snake, but they did drop us off some Ghirardelli milk chocolate, so can't go wrong with that.